How to change the language in Rise of Kingdoms Lost Crusade. Welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change the language setting in Rise of Kingdoms game. So, first of all, launch open Rise of Kingdoms Lost Crusade game on your device, and once you're inside this homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, you will come across this Governor Profile section where you need to tap on Settings at the bottom right. Inside Settings, tap on Language. After you get to this Language tab, go ahead and scroll through the list to find your language you want to change to. Once done, click on Confirm, and this will restart the game and the language will be updated. After restarting everything, the menus, messages and text will appear in your selected language. You can always customize your language setting by coming to this page and clicking on Confirm, and then you are good to go. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.